I don't want any part of this.
آخر خط اونورم هست شادی ها.
اونور خیلی شلوغ بود.
آره
اینجا خیلی
اینجا که خود جای قایقه شنا نیست نمیدونم.
قایق سواری میکنن.
حالا بریم یه سری هم
تو آب هم هستن.
یه سری هم اونور بزنیم
تو آب هم هستن.
میتونیم حالا اونور هم نگاه کنیم چشمون نشه. عجله داری؟ شروع من همینجا خوبه. آره از اون باید بریم بالا دیگه. از این باید بریم بالا دیگه. گرونه باید بذار ببینم. Hi, how much is the bed and these ones?
So how many people you are?
Four.
4 people. So 4 adults, right?
Yeah, for adults.
So right now I don't have any availability in the sunbeds.
Oh, you don't have any?
No, unfortunately,
Thank
we
you.
are fully booked.
Okay.
But maybe you can come by like in an hour or something. Maybe we will have something. But it's not sure.
Let me explore and see if I couldn't find it. Thank you.
Ben böyle. You can see the other side of Italy from the South Corfu. Yes. Very küçük.
That is very
Very-
nice.
very
Oh,
beautiful.
yeah, very beautiful seaside. So many people in here.
Penny cane.
Beautiful, beautiful. How is Corfu so far?
It's very warm here. I really enjoy it. I suggesting everyone just come and enjoy. There's lots of noise come outside from outside coming in our village, so that's fine. Just relax and enjoy the weather and smooth everything. Relax, just enjoy.
You burn your hand?
Kind of, yes. I burned my hands just up top of it, but underneath not yet. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Tomorrow we will go where exactly?
We're going north again, northeast.
Northeast. Okay. Just let me know what kind of place is that, so I'm gonna dress in that.
This is the Airbnb, guys. There is one dog here. Keeps barking. I don't know why. But I'm gonna show you the beautiful sunset here. Look, guys.